it's Morgan with WTI.
This set of dessert plates and forks from DaYammi are so beautiful. They were so fun to set up at the dessert table at this party that I helped throw. They are just so gorgeous. I love the gold glitter. I love the square shape. I think it's just such a fun plate to be able to put out for your guests. And the fact that it comes with forks is incredible because they were just the perfect set. I mean, look how gorgeous this coloring is. I love the clear with the gold glitter flecks inside. They were such a hit. They were so beautiful. I mean, look at them stacked up here. They're just so, so pretty. I love the size. Again, it's perfect for a dessert table or whatever you want to use that is just small, even appetizers. This would be the perfect set to put out at any party that you're throwing. Even if you're just having guests over for like coffee and cake, these are such a fun set. I definitely recommend them. They're heavy duty and they are so beautiful.
If you're looking for the perfect, beautiful, functional dessert plate with forks for your next event, I highly recommend these. And that's my point of view.